too late. A lot of people would call you a rock star, though, for the weather the last couple of days. It's been nice and cool. Yeah, so just keep it that way.
Yes.
No promises, right?
Well, no, we're going to see some changes.
Gotcha.
Typically, we see hot, and humid conditions this time of year.
Coming
it is
back.
August, however, so of course we've actually had a nice break from the humidity, the heat, and even the rain. However, we do need some rain. Right now, 76 degrees. We do have a hazy sky overhead, and its dew point is already into the 60s. So we're starting to see the dew point starting to creep into those low 60s with those winds shifting out of the south-southwest. Here's a look at live Doppler 13 radar. Notice we do have a disturbance off to our west. This will be our next chance of seeing a shower or a thunderstorm really later this evening for northwest central Indiana. As you can see right now, live Doppler 13 radar, it is quiet and it is dry. The air temperature is 77 in Kokomo, 72 degrees in Columbus, 75 in Greencastle. And when we look at the temperature change, we're actually running a couple degrees cooler right now than yesterday at this time, likely because we have a little bit more of that cloud coverage overhead. We are going to see things warming up though today as those temperatures start to soar into those mid to upper 80s later this afternoon. So a hazy sky, that will limit temperatures from warming up too much. However, we'll still be near normal for this time of year with a high around 85 degrees, feeling like the upper 80s. Now, we do have the threat of a couple of strong to severe storms, mainly on the very fringe of our viewing area, Benton County in effect for this. And this is on the low grade of possibilities of seeing an isolated thunderstorm. We may see a damaging wind storm or possibly even some hail. I think the better chances are actually going to be late tonight. So we'll start to see this boundary dropping into northern Indiana late tonight into tomorrow. So as we go Saturday early morning, that's when we'll start to see the leading edge. That's where we could see some of those stronger damaging winds, and temperatures during the morning hours will only fall into the upper 60s first thing in the morning. So it's going to be a warm and muggy start tomorrow. This will continue to drift farther south. It will lose intensity. It will likely fall apart before it makes it to I-70. So that will be the best chance of seeing any kind of storm activity, more likely before sunrise tomorrow morning. And again, the chances of seeing a strong storm will be pretty low. Now, Saturday, we'll see temperatures warming into the mid to upper 80s once again with a mix of sun and clouds. A little bit more humidity on the rise as well as we watch those heat indices climbing into the mid 90s tomorrow afternoon. As we go into Sunday, temperatures climb to around 93 degrees. So we're going to see some hot conditions as we finish off the weekend. As we go into Monday, still a hot day, and our better chance of showers and thunderstorms returns Monday afternoon. So we're talking about 90-degree temperatures. The average is 19.9. Last year we had 6. Or excuse me, I should say this year we've had 6. I need to change the date on that. 18 last year for 2020. And the record is 1983. That was where we had 58 days of 90+ degree temperatures. We're going to see a stretch of some hot days. May not quite make it to that 90-degree mark this weekend, but we're going to get close. 85 your high for today. This weekend, many dry hours, better chance of a storm or two again Saturday afternoon, high of 88, dry Sunday 90, and then we bring in daily storm chances Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week.